So, first Buddhist council. Today we will total 4 Buddhist council was held based on the how the Buddhism can be spread. The central idea of the was how to spread Buddhism, in which ways to spread the Buddhism. That was decided in these 4 Buddhist councils. First Buddhist council, second Buddhist council, third Buddhist council, and fourth Buddhist council. First Buddhist council was held at Rajagriha in 483 BCE. The king to this was Ajatashatru, and the chairman was Mahakashyapa. What is done in this first Buddhist council is Ananda composed Sutta Pitaka, that is Buddha's teachings, and Mahakashyapa composed the Vinaya Pitaka, that is monastic code. And after this, second Buddhist council held after the 100 years, that is 483 to 100 years, 383 BCE, by the king Kalashoka of Shishanaga dynasty, and the chairman was Savakami. Savakami was the chairman. Division into Sthavirvadins and Mahasanghavikas. Two sects emerged from the Buddhism: Sthaviravadins and Mahasanghavikas. Third Buddhist council, Pataliputra, held in Pataliputra in 250 AD, 250 BCE, by the king Ashoka of Mauryan dynasty. The chairman was Moggalliputta Tissa. What has done in this third Buddhist council is compilation of Abhidhamma Pitaka was made, and also the decision to send the missionaries abroad for the spread of Buddhism was taken in the third Buddhist council. And fourth Buddhist council was held in Kundalivana in Jammu and Kashmir in 98 AD by the king Kanishka, Kushana king Kanishka, and the chairman was Vasumitra. Buddhism was divided into two again, Hinayana and Mahayana. So this is all about the Buddhist councils. See, once again, first council and king first, and afterward council and chairman. Okay, and council and place. First Buddhist council place. We will read Buddhist council and place. First Buddhist council Rajagriha. Second Buddhist council Vaishali. Third Buddhist council Pataliputra. Fourth Buddhist council Kundalivana. And now the council and the king. Now first Buddhist council by Ajatashatru. Second Buddhist council by Kalashoka. Third Buddhist council by Ashoka. Fourth Buddhist council by Kanishka. And now council and the chairman. First Buddhist council is the Mahakashyapa. Second Buddhist council by Kalashoka Sabakami, and the third Buddhist council by Moggalliputta Tissa. Fourth Buddhist council by Vasumitra. So this is all about the Buddhist councils.